Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host Gamer, and today we look at, can we fill up all 4 of our RAM slots? Is that going to tank our gaming performance? Well, let's do some real world testing and see if going from 32 gigabytes, that's 2 times 16 gigabytes, to 4 times 16 gigabytes for a total RAM of 64 gigabytes, is there a difference? What happens? What are we using today? We're using the ADATA, the Gammix D30 2x16GB C16 and the D35 2x16 C16. They don't make the D30 anymore as far as I can tell. I couldn't find it anywhere. But they're both 3200 mega transfers and they also are C16 and they're working, so that's great. Also, we have the Intel 12700K running at stock settings, and we also have the AMD Sapphire Pure 9070. Yes, the brand new graphics card. And I am quite happy to use that one over any NVIDIA product at this stage. The price of RAM has skyrocketed. The price of SSDs is skyrocketing. And the availability of PC parts is becoming very scarce. Why is that? Because all these businesses are buying the NVIDIA expensive AI chips, and they need RAM and parts and whatever as well. And so everything is becoming very scarce and expensive. So you might want to head out. If you're going to build a PC soon, you might think about doing it. At least if I was going to build a PC in the near future, I would certainly be looking at doing it sooner than later because things are getting pretty scarce out there. So sit right back, have a cup of coffee, and we'll get into it. So as we look at the results here, you can clearly see there is about a 0.4 of an FPS difference between using the 32 gigabytes and the 64 gigabytes. So basically margin of error. So if you need the RAM, if you want to fill up 4 slots, that's up to you, of course. But for me, it's going to work fine because I predict that this machine in the future will do more and more video editing. And therefore that 64 gigabytes will come in handy, especially if you can't buy PC parts anymore. So, thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. And don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.